gonna
Yeah, let's
learn.
do an installation.
Oh, aha,
Yeah, let's do an installation.
do an installation.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go like this. Spinning your pendulum clockwise, it would be something like, I, Tyson Bannigan, in my holy name as a sovereign human being, hereby declare that I'm a sovereign human being, that I'm always guided by source. I'm in the right place at the right time to find my phone. No. Hopefully Darlene will phone me back and it's just a sec. So I'm always in the right place at the right time to receive clear, concise, and accurate guidance. Therefore, I'm being guided. I always can stay out of fear, doubt, shame, or guilt, because I know always how to return to source in the quickest, shortest way possible. And I attach to my breath that every time I breathe out, I remove what no longer serves me. And with every in-breath, I remember that I'm a sovereign human being, one with source consciousness. And every time I breathe out, I let go of what no longer serves me. And every time I breathe in, I remember that I'm a sovereign human being, one with source. And I declare it so in my holy being. And so it is. Thank you. So remember, if it's attached to your breath, it's only one breath. And while it is, it's not even one breath away. I mean, you can't stop breathing. So you can't stop this encoded remembrance of who you are.
Right.
You're breathing out, you're letting go. You're breathing in, you're remembering who you are. I breathe out, I let go. I breathe in, I remember that I'm one. So now if I'm doing this, in, out, now, and if I just concentrate on my breath, my monkey mind has nowhere to go. It's just on the breath, in, out, in, out. Now my mind calms down. It goes out of fear, trauma, unresolved conflict, core fractures, all dissolved, because now I'm just in my breath, in, out, in, out. Now you can receive guidance because your brain is calmed down, your body is calmed down, you're in the right vibrational frequency. That's how you stay out of fear. That's how you overcome trauma. That's how you resolve conflict. That's how you heal your body. That's how you remember that you're one with source. And that's how you remember that we are all one. There's only one being of consciousness. Us are all fragments of that consciousness. So when one is harmed, all are harmed. When one is healed, all are healed, right? That's the law of one. And that's how we remember, is through our breath, okay?